Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and members of the House of Representatives must be in celebratory mood because the Nigerian woman threatening Yoruba and Benin people with poison attack have been arrested by the Canadian police. That story has been trending, that the Canadian Nigerian woman threatening Yoruba and Benin people with poison have been arrested. Because we know the effort that Tinubu government put, the chairman of the Diaspora Commission at the Abike Dabre, Erewa, put a lot of effort in that. And the Nigeria lawmakers in the House of Reps also put in a lot of pressure. So they must be very happy with themselves as the Canadian police have arrested the woman in question. And that's what we're going to talk about today. But as they celebrate the arrest of the woman, of course, this channel was among those who condemned such threat by that woman, as we have also condemned those who are saying that Igbo must go in Lagos, and those who threatened Igbos during the election, governorship election in Lagos State. And all those who have been making threats against the Igbos, we condemn both of them in totally. But we also want this government to take example from what the Canadians do and repeat the same at home. It is not enough to celebrate because you pointed out something to a foreign authority to do, and invariably they have done it. But what about what you are doing about similar incidents at home, which we are going to talk about in the course of this video? Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Now, the media was awash that a Canadian Nigerian woman is scheduled to appear in court on Monday, September 2nd, 2024, following her arrest by Toronto police for allegedly making hate-motivated threats against Nigerian community. Amaka Sombodia, 46, was apprehended on Sunday following an investigation into online content she reportedly posted on August 25, threatening violence against specific members of the Nigerian community. Charged with uttering threats, Sombodia will face a judge at the Ontario Court of Justice. The case is being treated as a suspected hate-motivated offense, with the Toronto Police Hate Crime Unit involved in the investigation. Toronto Police Service, in an early Monday morning statement dated September 1 on its website titled Suspected Hate-Motivated Threatening Investigation Woman Arrested. In the statement on their website, it reads, Toronto police have arrested a woman in connection with a suspected hate-motivated threat investigation. The arrest followed a report received on August 28, 2024 regarding a threatening incident. Authorities allege that on or around August 25, 2024, Amaka Somebody, 46, of Toronto posted online content threatening the lives of specific members of the Nigerian community. Somebody was taken into custody on September 1st, 2024, and has been charged with uttering threats. She is scheduled to appear in court on Monday, September 2, 2024, at the Ontario Court of Justice, located as 2201 Finch Avenue West. He went on to say that the investigation is being treated as a suspected hate-motivated offense. Now, this is interesting. Why is it interesting? Is that what the Canadian government has done so speedily, and is why it is hypocritical of the Tinubu administration, is that what have they done in their own part to prosecute those behind Igbo must go hashtag? What did they do about it? Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, said that ordered the police to arrest and prosecute those behind it. Has anyone been arrested and prosecuted the way the Canadian police have done to this Amaka? I remember former Vice President Atiku Abubakar and the presidential candidate of the PDP in the last election also made similar call. I also remember Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the last presidential election, also made call for the prosecution of those behind Igbo must go hashtag. I also know that the House of the National Assembly Caucus of the Southeast also wrote a petition to the Inspector General of Police for the arrest and prosecution of those behind Igbo must go hashtag, who are calling for forceful relocation of Igbos from Southeast. What have the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Sanwo-Olu done about these people? Have any of them been arrested? Have any of them been persecuted? Is that not a typical case of hypocrisy for you to be celebrating that Canada is doing what you failed to do at home? That to me is hypocrisy of the highest order. When you did not prosecute, now they are talking about hate speech. There are several people who are spreading hate against Igbos on social media and even outside social media, that the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is turning blind eye to. A typical example is this Igbo must go campaigners. Now everybody is pretending that he never existed. These people are ghosts. These people are ghosts. Nobody knows where they are. Even the eagle-eyed Nigerian police that was able to discover the sleeper cells of those who want to overthrow Tinubu, they cannot be able to trace those behind this campaign. This makes Nigeria look like a joke. Because if you can celebrate, if you are happy that at least the Canadian authorities have held this woman accountable, why can't you hold accountable those behind the Igbo must go hashtag? What are you waiting for? Or are you telling us that you don't know those who are behind it? The police that can discover the sleeper cells of those who want to overthrow the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they can't find those behind Igbo must go hashtag. those who go about on social media spreading hate about the Igbos. What have the government done about it? What has the government done about the threats that Igbos face in Nigeria through social media hate speech, just like this woman is facing? They say they are accusing her of spreading hate-motivated speech. What about at home in Nigeria? What has the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu done? What have the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu done about those who told people of Igbo extraction and those who look like Igbo not to come out to vote in Lagos State governorship election unless they are coming out to vote for APC? Has any of them been prosecuted? Has any of them been held accountable? So you can see that it's hypocritical of anyone in this government celebrating that a woman rightfully is being held accountable in Canada when they cannot even hold those under their nose accountable in Nigeria. How does he portray this country? And how does he portray Nigeria and the present leadership that it is committed to a Nigeria that is free of hate, a Nigeria that is built on fairness, justice, and equity? Nigeria has no business. Nigerian government has no business pumping champagne that his campaign against the arrest of the woman has worked, when they have failed woefully to hold those who are also spreading hate in Nigeria against people of Igbo extraction accountable. That's my take on this matter. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever you think about this, let us know in the comment box so that we can also know your own side of the story, what you think about this story that is trending about the arrest of Amaka by the Canadian police, and now she's going to have her day in court. But when is MCO Lomo? When is those behind Igbo Must Go hashtag? When are they going to have their day in court in Nigeria? That's the question that the Tinubu administration need to answer. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you, and please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.